everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this new video, I'm going to show you this super easy and fresh Foxy eye makeup look using a Drugstore palette. Now the first thing I'm going to do, like always, is prime my eyelids. I'm using the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. I'm applying this all over my eyelid, and what this is going to do, it's going to remove the redness from the eyelid. It's going to make sure that my eyeshadow stays in place all day, and it will just create like a nice clean canvas for my eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the Rose Edition palette from Essence Cosmetics, which is super inexpensive. And I'm going to take this shimmery color and just use my finger to apply this all over my eyelids. This eye look is actually super easy, not too many complicated steps. So hopefully you all can create this makeup look if you want to. So I'm just using my finger. You could also use a brush, but to be honest, I feel like using your finger works just fine. Then I went in with a super tiny blending brush, and I went in with the dark brown color that comes in the palette. And with a really light hand, I started blending this along the outer part of the lash line, kind of like how you would normally create a wing liner in that direction, kind of going from the outer portion of the lower lash line, well, not the lower lash line, the lash line, towards the tail of my eyebrow. And just kind of softly sweeping my brush back and forth. And then with whatever's left on my brush, I just try to blend it up even higher, so you get that kind of smudged wing effect. And I just continue to blend. I keep adding a little bit more product by time. And I will also blend a little bit more of this above the lash line, which is kind of going to create the illusion of having like a smoky wing liner. But we're using only one eyeshadow for this. Okay, we have the one shadow on the eyelid, and then this one shadow for creating that smokiness. With this eye look, you can just create a really subtle but smoked out eye look, which I think is beautiful for work. Or if you have like a bridal party, even if you are the bride or maybe you are there as a guest, this is going to be like a really pretty soft eye look, which is perfect for people who don't like to wear like a lot of makeup. So I just continue to blend, add more of the eyeshadow to intensify the darkness a little bit, and I just continue to do this. But I just really like to take it slow, just apply little by little, and this way you will get how it looks at my eye. I think the brush I'm using is the Morphe M506, if I'm not mistaken. It's like a super tiny blending brush, which is super easy and comes in really handy to use if you want to do like a little bit more precise blending. So after doing this, I went in with the same color and blended this underneath the lower lash line as well. Then after blending the lower lash line, I went in with this super light pearly color, and I'm gonna pop that in the inner corner of my eye. First, I just used a little bit in the inner corner, and then after this, I also used a little bit underneath the brow bone. Then after that, I noticed I wanted to have like a little bit more pigmentation. And if you want that, you can just spray a little bit of setting spray on your brush, and this will intensify the color. So I did that, and it definitely made a huge difference. Then I went in with the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm not sure what the name is, but it's a pencil. It has like a super dark brown shade at one side and a nude shade at the other side of the pencil. So I used the nude shade, and I just applied this all the way in my lower lash line. And I feel like using a nude shade just really brightens up my whole eye. Then I went in with a MAC Cosmetics eyelash curler, and then I went in with the Maybelline Sky High mascara, which is my personal favorite Drugstore mascara. I really like it. It makes my lashes super long, and it also separates my lashes really nicely. For today's look, I'm not gonna go in with any fake lashes, so I'm just gonna keep it as it is right now. So this is the finished result so far. I'm also going to show you how it looks when I create more like a pointy inner corner. So if you don't want to do that, this is the finished result, which I really like. It's just a really subtle but smoky eye look in just a really soft way, which I really like. And then here I just used a little bit more of that dark brown color with a tiny eyeliner brush and created more of like a pointy inner corner, just really softly. And then here you have the end result with the pointy inner corner, which gives more of like a foxy eye look finish. So yeah, I really hope you all like how it turned out. Let me know in the comments what looks you want to see this year. I can't wait to film a lot of new content for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also, don't forget to subscribe, of course, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye everyone!